Everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Bhupesh. Hope you're doing perfectly well. So, what we're gonna do it today? So, last time what we saw how to create your own MCP server, especially using Python, because there might be scenarios where in your customer environment you're not allowed to connect to the GitHub of Grafana MCP servers and GitHub of Prometheus MCP server. So that is the reason we are creating this video to make awareness that you can create your own MCP servers using a plain Python code for Grafana as well as for Prometheus, and then we'll take it to a next level how to implement complex agentic AI use cases. But today it's I want to make it pretty easy and simple so that things are becoming you know are you going? So today we'll be checking only the creating your MCP servers locally using Python code. So let's get started. So last time we saw how to create your normal a simple Prometheus so that you can list down matrices and then so on. So first of all, I mean last time we saw how to add two numbers using Python code, and then we add those numbers and we show the same thing using Claude. But now today we'll be checking the same thing with the help of VS Code, and let's see. But we'll not be adding two numbers. We'll be having a Prometheus server, and then we will list down the matrices from the Prometheus server. So for simplicity, let me see if I have my Prometheus up and running. If not, we'll simply make it run. So I have my, let me see if my Prometheus is running or not. Yeah, Prometheus is up and running. It should now run on localhost 9090. So my Prometheus is running. Let me see run the magic query and see whether the matrices are running for Prometheus or not. Yes, I have Prometheus running and it is capturing the node export under Prometheus matrices. Now I want to talk to my Prometheus using MCP servers and fire some queries. So let's quickly see. So I have my main.prom.py, which I will be using in today's quick session just to make sure that we are able to list down all the matrices. So what we are doing in this, we are hitting this endpoint. It can be your IP address also, and then I'm using two functions: get all matrices and then search any particular matrices, right? And then these two functions will be called by using my VS Code. Now, how to call this main.py? Last time we saw it using Claude, but this time we'll see it using VS Code. I have my GitHub Copilot here. So to communicate or to connect to this MCP servers, I have this MCP JSON which is in this .vs code folder, and everything is in the GitHub. I am saying please run main.py from this location with these arguments. So I'll simply first of all stop whatever it was running earlier, and then I'll start run this again. Okay, so this is now running. You can simply see the output also. So this MCP server is now running locally. I'm not connecting anything to internet. Okay, and this is the one. So I'll connect to the tools and then we'll see what tools it. So uh, list matrices. Yeah, so it will fetch all the matrices, and now I'll say fetch all the Prometheus matrices that are priori contain CSDB. Okay, so now I'm saying please use this tool to talk to my Prometheus and list down all the matrices that are there in my DB. Let's see how much time it is taking since my Prometheus is running as an MCP server. Yeah, so it is doing all the to do sequences, and then yeah, the VS code is now more advanced, so it has created two tools. Now you see it has run this get all matrices. It is running, and then it is a auto approved. It is summarizing whatever we have asked. You see the beauty of MCP server is it is I've simply asked certain things. It has talked to it, and then it is running that query for you. Right. Yeah. So this query has executed, and you can see it has given you so many distinct matrices that are there in your Prometheus. Okay. So because I created a function called as list down matrices, right? Now let's do one thing. Let's extract one of the main matrices, the result of it. So yeah, search this matrix. So let me do this. Can you search? I'll attach that tool. Mm, Matrices, search matrix. Please search this metric from Prometheus TV, right? So this is another query which I have found. So basically, I've created two functions, one for getting all the matrices and second is search all matrices. So I'm just trying to demonstrate how you create different functions and use cases and attach to your MCP server, and then you can talk to your VS Code. So in next, sessions, we'll be taking more complex cases on how to, talk to Prometheus. Then, now it will ask to you run this query. It is running it, and then we will talk to your Grafana, we will create dashboard, we will update dashboard, and so on. So you see the current value of process CPU seconds total is 20.28, and then it is giving all the next set of recommendations, and yeah, you can talk about it. So this is pretty much about it. I want to tell you that how you can see this has created a text file also for your previous query, that these are the distinct messages that are there in your Prometheus. So that is pretty much. We will talk more on this in next session, especially on Grafana. But this is all about, you don't want to, use the Prometheus MCP which is available on GitHub. You can create your own MCP servers, and you can do whatever you want. Suppose in this MCP server, I was having only get all matrices and search matrices. But in next sessions, we'll be talking about how to do the same thing using Prometheus Grafana, create update, automated, and all those things. So stay tuned for next sessions for now, and I will take a pause. And if you have any doubts and queries, please post down into comment section. And last but not the least, do not forget to like and subscribe the channel so that you can get plenty of videos pertaining to other categories. Thank you. Bye bye.